I'm so weird. I'm like really awkward. Who you know got hit like this? Who you know? I wait. Tell me. Guys, welcome or welcome back. If this is your first time checking out my channel, hi, my name is Mihlali, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey there. Okay, so in this video I will be taking you through a pamper week or whatever, or of some sort. But before I even start explaining what I'm about to do, like, I'm actually so sad. I'm actually so sad. Like, I tried so bad. I'm so awkward, and I put myself out there and like asked people to take videos and stuff, and then I can't even blame anyone, and I can't be mad at anyone else but myself, nor can I be mad because it's my fault. But anyways, I get the footage, I get my clips and stuff, and then I lose my, okay, I don't even want to talk about it. Like, it's still a very sore topic. But anyways, so I lost my footage, like for my nail appointment. I lost my nail appointment footage, and that really bummed me out. I even started questioning myself, do I still want to do this? But then again, it's like, I don't know. So I'm gonna try put this together. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope it comes out well at the end. But yeah, so anyways, in this video I will be taking you through a week in my life. Not necessarily a week in my life, it's like my pamper week of some sort. I just finished writing, well, not just finished writing, I finished writing a while ago, a week ago. So, and I'm gonna go home for Christmas, and I just wanted to wind down after a very stressful year and maybe take you guys with me through this little wind down steez, you know, just have a little chilled video, you know. So I was hoping for that, and I hope you get that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Hey guys, I'm on my way to my lash appointment. It's currently 11 o'clock, well 5 past 11, my appointment is at 12, and oh, this is still running, okay. honest, I'm about to wax my armpits just by the way. And I just want to come here and talk. I don't know if that's weird or anything. But yeah, I got my lashes done yesterday. How does that look? How does that look? I honestly wanted to... Oh my word, this thing is so soft. But since I honestly wanted to like finesse with my own lashes, but like you guys saw in my previous video, I think, that my lashes aren't existent. Like they're literally non-existent. They're that big. And yeah, I don't know, I like these though. Shout out to Mutsa, lashed by Mutsa on Instagram. She finished these. And yeah, I don't know, is this the correct consistency? I don't know. That's hot, mate. Okay, I'm just waiting for my wax to like... Oh, fuck. Shit. Oh, it's too still. I'm just waiting for my wax to like get to the right consistency. But yeah. Okay, firstly, I'm gonna cleanse my armpits. I know I just showered, but like I've been running around the house for like 20-30 minutes and I feel like I'm just gonna do a bit. And then I'm gonna put some baby powder on there. Apply pressure because I feel like that helps a bit with the pain. Ciao. But the house with you, so you never look ugly. Me can't see you. Yeah. Okay, ciao. Okay, so I got most of my hair off. I am not going back. Not going back. Now I am going to do my lips. Sorry, I'm out of focus. I'm like trying to get close to the mirror. So, oh fuck. I don't know how that's gonna work. Anywho, like I did with my armpits, I'm also going to like powder my lips. Don't you guys hate it when you like pull it off and then there's like that low one that just stays there and now you have to pull that one off too? Oh my gosh. And like I've got a lot of hair there. Okay, to be completely honest, my moustache is still there. And I could see it here. But I am not doing that again. I'm sorry, it's fine, whatever.
I like my slush anyways. Who said I didn't want it? Who said that?
So here's where I lost my footage, but here's some fat fingers and toes for you. And that will be it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.